bit too late. I was out taking drone footage on our school's drone, and things went a little wrong. Things didn't go wrong. It just took forever to get it connected, man. Like firmware updates, and it was just like when you think you're prepared and you're ready to go, it just doesn't happen. So check this out. Listen, I've been having rendering issues with C4D. Also, I figured C4D, you guys can't really use it anyway, so I'm going to jump into Blender today. I made the decision. I made the call. I'm jumping into Blender. And so if you don't have Blender, let me walk you through that first. I just type in Blender download, and it's this guy here, blender.org. And when you go here, you just download 283. That might be the new one. I might have to update, actually. I'm not sure. 283 might be the newest version, so they might have released 283. But anyway, you could download it here. This is the Windows installer. It should automatically recognize your computer and just give you the proper installer. If you have a Mac, it'll download. Well, if you've never downloaded an installer on your Mac, but if you need help, you could watch a YouTube video on it, but it's pretty simple. Download it. It's free. It'll have an installer, and just click on the installer and install it. And you will have like the world's most used open source 3D graphics program. I have it already installed down here, so I'm just going to click on it and see what happens. It might tell me I need an update. I made good coffee this morning. Just saying. I always make good coffee, but this is a good cup. Okay, so I mean, check it out. There's a manual here which could show you how to do stuff. I'm sure there's tons of tutorials packed in here, but I'm just going to do a new, I guess, general file, and it already starts with a cube inserted. So I'm going to go over to this guy and go to YouTube, and I'm going to watch what this guy does. He's like making some sort of donut or something. There's two parts to the tutorial. It's about, together, 30 minutes. So I'm going to maybe speed it up a little bit, and we'll see.
This is a complete beginner's tutorial series.
Freeze. I just want to show you this. This is exactly what I'm going for in my streams when I have the green screen behind me. It just looks like, I think, super clean, super professional. This guy, like, down the bottom corner, you can still see everything on the screen. Chances are this guy's probably using OBS to do it. He's probably not live streaming. He's probably just screen recording on OBS.
Designed to show
Little
you
side.
how to use all the main features of Blender whilst learning how to create a delicious donut and some coffee.
It looks good.
I know you are excited. You want to start.
Oh, gosh.
Clicking on things and learning things.
Okay.
But since this is part one of a series, I want to take just 60 seconds to explain what you will learn and what you won't learn. So, right now, this is you. You are a little red dot, and you are entering into the wide world of 3D. And if you've done any research, you probably know there is a lot to learn, and it can be a little overwhelming. You can feel like, I'm never going to learn it all, so why bother? Well, the good news is you don't need to know everything. If you're familiar with the 80-20 rule, there is really only 20% of the features inside 3D software that you use 80% of the time. And that is what this course is all about. It's teaching you those core concepts that you're going to use all the time, so that you can then, by the end of it, feel confident creating your own projects in the future. So this is all going up for free on YouTube, and I've just separated it by level, just like in terms of chapters, so you know what to expect in terms of difficulty. But if you follow it from start to finish, rest assured, you can create a donut and coffee. That final image there, you can get there, because there are 500,000 people who completed the last version of this tutorial that I made 3 years ago. There's even a Blender Donut subreddit where you can see the results of people who finished the last course. So it might look advanced to this stage, like, oh, I don't know 3D, how am I going to, you can get there, right, if you just follow it through to the end. Now, this is part one of level one, so this is going to be the basics of the basics, and we're going to start with the user interface. And just to keep it interesting, I promise you, if you finish the end of this video, you will learn how to set set a monkey head on fire. Random, but you'll see. So, open Blender for the first time, and this is what you should see. Now, this big area here, this big patch of space is called the 3D viewport, and it's where you'll spend probably 90% of your time. If you're modeling something, if you're like laying out a scene, you're moving things around, it's all going to happen right here. So let's talk about moving stuff. So we have the cube here, the default cube selected, and let's say we want to move it. So if you go to the toolbar, you've got a move function, right? And when you do that, you'll see that you get these arrows that appear over your cube. Now if I just click and drag on any of these arrows, you can see that I'm moving it along that direction, that axis. So there's 3 axes, there are 3 dimensions in the world: the Z axis, the X axis, and the Y axis. So along those, I can sort of move it anywhere within this space here. Okay, so that's moving, and the next one underneath that, you've got rotate. I can rotate something along a specific axis. Or by the way, if you just like don't click on any of these like highlighted colors, just click anywhere in there, it's gonna like trackboard, which is like just free rotate. If you release, by the way, it's gonna like release the mouse, it's going to like drop it wherever you set it to. But if while rotating you just right click, it's gonna like cancel the action, or you hit escape, right? But anyways, then you've got scale. So I click the scale option. Now I've got these that function there, or this axis, or that axis, etc. Or click anywhere within there, and now you're scaling just the size of the thing. Okay, so move, rotate, scale. And then by the way, that one down there is like all 3 of them mashed in together for, I don't know, people who are running out of time and they need to click them all at the same time for some reason. But anyways, that's how you can do things, but actually the faster way to work is to memorize the hotkeys, because you're going to use this a lot, and every time you want to like rotate or scale something, if you have to go up here, then click on this, then click on this, it's a lot of work. It doesn't sound like it, but when you're doing it like repeatedly, hundreds of times an hour, it's a lot of work. So what I would suggest you memorize is the hotkeys. So to move something, it's G for grab, okay, G. And when you do that, it's attached to your cursor. So you just tap the key once, and you don't have to like click or hold or anything like that. It's now attached to my cursor. If I right click, I'm canceling the movement, but if while it's moving like that, if I just left click, it's now confirmed the movement. Now it's free movement right now, so if I was to push the letter of any of those axes, like Z, I'm now moving along the Z axis, or X, or Y. Okay, so again, that's while it's moving, if I hit any of those keys, I can snap it to that axis. Or instead of having to like do a separate key, so while it's moving, instead of hitting those axes buttons, if I hold down the middle mouse button, which is, can I talk about the middle mouse button? I didn't talk about it. I've recorded this tutorial 5 times. If you click in on the scroll wheel, that's the middle mouse button. And if you hold that in, you'll see that it's like snapping it to a specific axis. So that's actually a really fast way to work. So if I hit G, I can move it down. So G, quickly tap middle mouse to get it to the right axis, and then click, then G, quickly tap middle mouse, get it to the right axis. I can do this, and I can move this cube anywhere. That's a really
That's
fast
fun.
way of working. It's great, and those hotkey work the exact same way. So, sorry, for rotate and scale. So if while rotating, free rotate, X, Y, Z, or middle mouse, I'm going to rotate it along the X axis. Scaling, again, I don't have to be in scale mode. I can just hit S for scale, and that's going to scale like that. Or I can S, scale on the Y axis by tapping Y, X, Z, or S, middle mouse button, and snap it to a specific axis.
Right, I was going to say, he didn't say the other hotkeys, so G for grab, S for scale, R for rotate.
That I have in mind. Okay, so those hotkeys, G, R, and S, tip of the iceberg, my friend.
There you
There's
go.
a lot of hotkeys to come. There's a lot of hotkeys in Blender, and so I created a shortcut PDF with like all the keyboard
Cool.
shortcuts. So if you join my email newsletter, I'll send you that. It's a PDF that you can print out, stick on your wall, or a Google Doc that you can like save and reference on a separate monitor or whatever. But the link for that is in the description if you are interested. Because we're going to learn more hotkeys, okay? So the next hotkey is moving around, like navigating within this space here, because we're just looking at it from this view. But let's say this cube was all the way off screen. Where's it gone? How are we going to see it now? So if you use the middle mouse button, which is again the scroll wheel, if you push that in, if you hold that down, that is called orbiting, or rotating the view. But orbiting, right? And that enables you to rotate around the view. Now you'll see that we can't really get close to that cube there because we're just looking at the center of our scene right now. So if we want to pan to a separate area, if we hold down Shift, middle mouse button, and drag across, then we are looking at a new area. So those two functions, middle mouse button to orbit, and then Shift, middle mouse button to drag to a new section, are very common. So I can go anywhere in my space just with those two functions, Shift, middle mouse button to pan, middle mouse button to orbit. So just familiarize yourself with that. Just try to move around to different areas.
And then I'm assuming scroll wheel is zoom. So, alright, so, thanks, Ada. Click the middle mouse button to orbit, shift click to pan, and then scroll button to zoom.
Areas of the canvas, the 3D view, like so. Now, if perchance you do not have a mouse with a scroll wheel, or you're on a laptop with a trackpad, good luck with that, by the way. Tough road ahead. But there is another way, which is to use this gizmo in the top right-hand corner. You just click and drag anywhere within that. That is orbit, and then if you click this hand tool and just hold, that will move it. So this whole gizmo section here was designed. It's a new feature of Blender, but it's basically designed because we know that tablet devices and everything are on the rise, and at some point people are going to start using them on Surface tablets or something, and they've only got a stylus. So you don't need a mouse, with all the functions to move around Blender anymore. You've got this if you needed it. Or by the way, let's say you just don't have the scroll wheel thing, but you don't want to have to keep using the gizmo. You go to your user preferences. You'll see something in input called emulate 3-button mouse, which will just enable you to use Alt and then left click as the middle mouse alternative, essentially. So yeah, the other one I really mentioned because I think I've been doing it without realizing. Scroll wheel, that's zoom, or you can click that little, hold down the little magnifying glass, then you can zoom in and out. Now the cube is over there, and we could get to it by panning over there, but we got a lot of stuff in this thing. Like let's say we duplicate this cube, which you could do by going to object and then click on duplicate objects. But you can see the hotkey there. You memorize that hotkey, Shift D. We can move that cube over there, right? So we're looking at the cube over here, but now we gotta get all the way over there. A lot of work. So if you just click on an object and you want to focus on that, like just zoom over there. If you hit the number pad period key, which is that little dot at the bottom corner of your number pad, it will focus on that object. Okay, so that's a very fast way of like changing your focus. So you don't have to like fart around and like, oh, gotta move over there, extra slow, nice and easy. Now easy does it, don't get lost, right? And by the way, going back to people with a laptop, most laptops don't have number pads. So the other hotkey that you should memorize is the tilde key, which is that key underneath the escape key. There's one there that says view selected. So it'll bring up a pie menu, and one of the options in the pie menu is view selected. And release, and there we go. Does the exact same thing as number pad period key. All right, let's delete this this make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to delete the cube here by just tapping delete, or X if you don't want to get armed to move as far. Let's replace it. So I delete the cube. Now I'm going to go to the top section up here. You'll see one that says add, and you'll get a whole bunch of options that will appear here, and you can replace it with something. But it's a long way to go for your mouse when you're adding stuff frequently in Blender. So Shift A is a very common hotkey that you should memorize. Shift A, memorize as add. I'm adding something. Shift A, and you got a whole bunch of stuff here. Now, by the way, this will be applicable if you're in node view or if you're in other views within Blender. So Shift A is a good way to memorize. There's a whole bunch of stuff here. Some things that I've never used before, like speaker. Don't know what that does. Just useful to someone, but not to me. The main ones you'll use are underneath mesh. You got a whole bunch of what are called primitives, like plane. You can add a plane, and it's the ground plane. You got a whole bunch of other really like boring sounding ones, and then you got one right at the bottom there. It's called monkey. So obviously we're going to click it, and this brings us into the final part of this video that I promised you. We're going to set this monkey head on fire, which is a cruel thing to do, but it's not real, so no need to email me. So with the monkey head selected, we're going to use a little Easter egg feature of Blender, but it's like basically if you push F3, this allows you to bring up the search bar, which is actually very common. This isn't the Easter egg part, but F3 is like you can search for anything. Like if you forget a shortcut for something, you can just like type it in, and there it is. You can do it. But if we type into the search bar smoke, you'll see there's one there called quick smoke. And what this does is it has applied a smoke simulation to my selected object, which basically just saves you from like setting up a box and then setting smokes and blah 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 blah. It's just done that for you. And then if I hit that play button right at the bottom there, you can see it's smoking. Now I promised you fire though, so if you select the monkey and then click the simulator panel button, which it's getting a bit advanced.
Well, that's fun. Okay. Into Blender. And delete that and go to, let's see, Shift A is add, and is it in mesh? Yeah, monkey head. Cool. And then what did he do? Oh, he said F3, and he said to search smoke, quick smoke, and hit play. Okay, that didn't work. Why didn't it work? Did he do something that I didn't?
Saves you from like setting up a box and then setting smokes and blah 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 blah. It's just done that for you. And then if I hit that play button right at the bottom there, you can see it's smoking.
No, it's not. Smoke dynamics. Hit play. Is it something about my view? Well, that's awesome, huh? Click on the wrench, maybe? Okay, smoke domain. Why aren't I seeing smoke? Okay, also. Okay. Oh no, he's still got the wireframe around it. Why aren't I seeing smoke, dude?
Smoke. And what this does is it has applied a smoke simulation to my selected object. Like if you forget a shortcut for something, you can just like type it in, and there it is. You can do it. But if we type into the search bar smoke, you'll see there's one there called quick smoke. And what this does is it has applied a smoke simulation to my selected object, which basically just saves you from like setting up a box and then setting smokes and blah 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 blah. It's just done that for you. And then if I hit that play button right at the bottom there, you can see it's smoking.
It doesn't do that. I hit the play button. It is not smoking. Okay, what's up with that? Suzanne, is that the monkey? They named the monkey Suzanne. Okay, hold on. See, now this is interesting because he's got a scene collection. Isn't that interesting? That doesn't look like mine. And it doesn't change. Alright, so what did he do there?
F3 is like you can search for anything. Like if you forget the shortcut for something, you can just like type it in and there it is, and you can do it. But if we type into the search bar smoke, you'll see there's one there called quick smoke. And what this does is it has applied a smoke simulation to my selected object, which basically just saves you.
Yeah, that doesn't look the same as mine, so I can't even see what he's selecting. So let's see if I can figure this one out. Okay, here's the scene collection. Okay, so he just has it minimized. So even though he has it minimized, I can't see what he's got going. Okay, delete. Dude, I can't even figure out how to delete this thing. I remember running into issues here the last time. There it is. Okay, let's go back to Suzanne. I hit F3. Do quick smoke. It has to be on an object, right? Oh no, look, Suzanne's on quick smoke here. Fluid, that's fun. I just don't see it. Oh, spacebar plays. I like that function because that's, I don't think is a function in C4D. No, I don't want to become famous. Showing your renders, showing your viewports. Alright, whatever. Let's play through it.
It's just done that for you. And then if I hit that play button right at the bottom there, you can see it's smoking. Now I promised you fire though, so if you select the monkey and then click the simulator panel button, which it's getting a bit advanced, but just in here where it says smoke, if you change that to fire and smoke, then there you go. You have set the monkey.
Okay, cool. Which one's simulation? Gosh. This one is simulation? It'd be awesome if I could see it. Okay, so fire and smoke is on Suzanne. It's got to be some sort of view, right? Like I don't actually see render view. Let's see what he's got here. Maybe I could figure this out. He's got that global playback. That's It's got to be a view. I can't see it because I'm not in the right view or something, right? There's a render. You got me, guys. Another mystery of Blender. Alright, well, let's Google and see if we can figure this out. Can't see smoke in Blender. Quick smoke. Play back the scene in the viewport. You can see smoke coming out of the cube. No. No, you can't. Enable volumetric in Render tab. Camera, scene, enable volumetric. Sampling. Okay, not there. We're gonna get this, guys. Never let the equipment win. So under volumetric, there's a drop down. Oh, there just needs to be a checkbox on volumetric. Hold on. That's not even, it's not the same. Okay, let's see if I can find this. Oh, what do you do? F3? Eevee. Sampling. Viewport denoising. This thing is now changed to volumetrics, and there's no checkbox. Well, it is now 11 o'clock, and I am stuck again. Alright, for some reason there's no checkbox there. So I'm gonna have to go and figure out why I can't see smoke on my screen. So that's awesome. You got a monkey. Frame 12. I mean, that's cool. It's flying through. There's still no smoke here, right? You should see some form of smoke going. Alright, so now we gotta figure out why this viewport. We gotta figure out why I can't see smoke. Well, hey, listen, I'm not even gonna be back today. I was gonna do a 12 o'clock stream, but I have lots of other things that I gotta try to get done this week, so I'm gonna take some time to be working on that stuff. Cags, we're trying to make a flaming monkey head, and it's not working. So, sorry, elbow cough. Yeah. So I will not be back here at noon today. I'm going to be doing some video editing. So I will see you mañana. Cags, I hope you're good, man. If you're still here, say hi to the fam. Say hi to Mom. Say hi to Lucas. And come back tomorrow. Okay, dude? Hope you're doing well. See ya.